Alright, so this will be my unboxing of the Shirou Emiya figure from Prisma Illya Oath Under Snow, or Vow in the Snow. So, it's supposed to be an AmiAmi exclusive, but I was able to buy it off Buy a while back, and along with a free shipping coupon, it was kind of worth it. So the manufacturer is AMAKUNI, and I suppose distributed by Hobby Japan, but not exactly sure how that would work. And just here's the box. Pretty good overall. Unfortunately, my got cracked a while back, but it's not that bad. So here's the side, and then at the back it just shows what the actual figure will look like at the end, and more unlimited blade works around it. I'll just open this up. Just take this down for a minute. So there's the blister. Comes with a good old manual, fake kaleid liner. I might have to use this later, but hopefully not. Now, this has already been opened once by a friend of mine who helped me pick this up in the first place. So, I can just remove the tape real quick. Won't be able to see much of it. Well, let's find this real quick. Ah, yes, more tape. Yeah, it's pretty well secured in general. Alright. Now, first things first. Base, so I'll take it out. Next, I have to take the pieces below, which is, I believe, mostly just the swords. And below here, there's more tape, I believe. Yeah, that's a little tricky. So I think I'll take out Emiya first. Then I'll take out his sword. Or, well, his main one. Over here. Yeah, I just have to remove a fair bit more tape. I could just get a pocket knife for this one. Probably would seem more effective if I just removed it manually. Yes, and just don't mind the Nendoroid on the back. There are quite a few Nendoroids lately that I haven't been able to buy display cases for. I was able to remove the tape from the inside. So basically, what I was removing the whole time were the other swords for the base. So I think I'll just set up the base first, which probably makes more sense. Might actually have to look at it. And looking here, more tape. Yeah, there's a fair bit of tape for this box. Pretty standard for some scale figures, but this one's a little annoying. Stop it though. Okay. So basically there's a bit of protective film. Each sword has its own special place in the base to put in. So now I'm going to figure out which is which. This is a little troublesome. Should have organized it. Okay. Might actually have to double check the photo real quick to see what it was originally like. The shortest blade goes here, apparently. Also, a little bit confusing. But it's fine. All good. I think each of these actually matches their size, which would make more sense. Yeah, okay, each of these perfectly fit in, so I'll just have to figure out which direction it goes in. Oops. Probably hard to see from here, but still putting in the swords. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it perfectly fits. Alright. This one goes back here. Leave. This one goes. Okay. So here's the base. Took a bit to set up. itself is actually fairly detailed. Some people have said that it's kind of bland, but honestly, for the price, it really is pretty well detailed and painted. Yeah, it's a bit blurred, but I'll just put them on the base now, and then you can see what it looks like at the end. His sword in his other hand, and we should be done. Or I hoped it would be that simple. Oh dear. Oh. So, apparently there are the laces for the hoodie that I still have to put on. It might take a minute to attach though. Oh well. It is what it is. Oh, so apparently the way you attach the blade, you actually disconnect it, and you have to put the handle in first. That probably explains a fair bit. So you put the handle through the back. It's a little annoying, but not that bad. I'll be honest, I might have to remove them from the base for this. Yeah, it's not that hard to remove them from the base. Yeah, so right around here, you'll have to insert the hilt through the hand, like that. Right there. It's a bit difficult to see. Yeah, and then we can just attach the blade. Yep, and there we go. Okay, now we can just attach the part of this hoodie. Honestly, the hardest part of setting this up is probably going to be putting the laces for the hoodie, because they're quite small actually, and getting them out of the bag is already a bit of a pain. Yep. Now we have to put this on. So, okay, the ways the instructions describe it is a little confusing. So apparently on the hood, right around there, you can see a small indentation. So that's where you're supposed to put these hoodie laces. The problem is, it's pretty hard to find unless you check online ahead of time. Just something to note. Yeah, it also falls off quite easily. A little annoying. All good. And there's another one on the other side. Yeah. Oh dear, and it fell off it. This is the problem with this. Okay, I'll probably have to do this off screen real quick. Standing this in the first place is actually quite a pain. It's actually an option to put one inside the shirt, but I don't exactly know how that would work. Or no, apparently it's just the opening of the shirt. So yeah, this is just final result.